Wow, such a small item pack with a huge box. Unboxing DJI Osmo Nano. Got it for SGD for $117 on Shopee. Not forgetting the SGD 20 to discount. Let's unbox. Yeah. Things inside the box. Itself. Docking device and screen. Accessories box. So little things overall. Wow. Charging cable. Magnetic necklace. Camera cover. Slot on cap mount. Suction cup mount. Do you think it's worth the buy? Well, it's not the best buy, but totally worth my every penny. Discussion on how it looks. Ha ha ha.